Now, what you just saw is the large-scale destruction caused by the most destructive fire in the history of Los Angeles, California. There are now at least 5 wildfires raging across Los Angeles and the neighboring Ventura County with almost zero containment. The latest blaze sprung alive on top of the iconic Hollywood Hills, which includes celebrity homes and landmarks like the Hollywood sign and the Dolby Theater. Authorities say the wildfires have killed at least 5 people, destroyed more than 1,000 buildings, torched nearly 27,000 acres of land, and forced about 130,000 people to evacuate.